These are all of my Angry Birds Stella plushies. We have the classic Stella. We have the Easter Stella. We have the Princess Leia Stella plush. We have the Angry Birds Stella plush from her game. And here's the movie Stella plush. And here is Stella's friends. We have Poppy, Dahlia, Gale, Willow, and Luca. Now all these plushies have like wires in their feathers to make them bend and move. So like for Gale, for example, you can bend them like this. But Willow and this Stella are the only ones that don't have wires in their feathers. So these are all of the Stella plushies along with her friends from the game Angry Birds Stella.